Can an easement limit your property rights? Have you ever wondered if someone else can dictate how you use your own land? This is a real concern when it comes to easements. An easement is a legal right that allows someone to use a portion of your property for a specific purpose. Even though you still own the land, that easement can limit your rights. Let's break this down. An easement is a non-possessory interest. This means the easement holder does not own the land but has permission to use it. This creates a burden on your property, known as the servient estate. The person benefiting from the easement holds what is called the dominant estate. There are two main types of easements. Affirmative easements allow the holder to do something on your land, like crossing it. On the other hand, negative easements prevent you from doing something, like blocking light or views. Easements can be created in several ways. They can come from a written agreement, be implied, arise from necessity, or develop through long-term use, known as prescription. The way an easement is created can affect your rights and obligations regarding the property. Even if you own the property, an easement can restrict how you can use it. For example, if there is a right-of-way easement, you cannot block access for the easement holder. Ignoring this can lead to legal disputes or even losing your property rights in court. Now, let's talk about common legal mistakes. One major mistake is failing to identify existing easements before buying or developing property. Always conduct a thorough title search and property survey. Overlooking easements can lead to unexpected restrictions and disputes. Another mistake is not getting easements in writing. It is essential to document easements clearly, specifying the location, purpose, and rights involved. Verbal agreements or unclear terms can lead to confusion and litigation. Property owners sometimes interfere with easements by blocking access or using the easement area for other purposes. Respecting the exact terms and boundaries of the easement is crucial to avoid conflicts. Some people assume easements can be easily terminated. However, they often continue even if the original purpose changes. Specific legal conditions must be met for termination, such as abandonment or destruction of the servient land. Do not assume you can remove an easement without legal action. If you plan to build or modify your property, always check for easements that may limit your construction. When granting an easement, clearly define its scope and duration to prevent future misunderstandings. If you believe an easement is no longer necessary, seek legal advice before attempting to terminate it. Easements create legally enforceable limitations on your property rights. They allow others to use or restrict your land in specific ways. Awareness and proper management of easements are essential to protect your property interests.